Welcome to the BMW iDrive Challenges. Today, how to make 2 cars out of 1. Here we go. Oh, I just love it. There's even my favorite music playing. Satisfies all of my needs. See, everything's perfect. This is my car.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now, I'm going to show you my car. We're going to have to change a couple of things, okay? Change ID, switch to Elliot. See, this is much better already. More legroom, it's got the lights just how I like them. The steering wheel's perfect. Challenge complete, right? Hey, BMW, take a selfie.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Photobomb!
You know, probably looks better with you in it anyway, right?
I have an idea. Let's make 3 cars out of 1.